Suraj Yadav. Today we are talking about memory allocation in Java. In Java, memory management is the process of allocation and delocation of object called the memory management. The Java does memory management automatically. Java is an automatic memory management system called garbage collector. Thus, we are not required to implement memory management logic in our application. The Java memory management divided into two major parts: the JVM memory structure, working of the garbage collector, and JVM memory structure. The JVMs create various runtime data areas in heap. These areas can use during the program executions. The memory area are destroyed when JVM exists, where is the data area are destroyed when the threads exist. The method area. The method area is a part of the heap memory which is shared among all the threads. It is created when the JVM start up. It is used to store a class structure, superclass name, interface name, and constructor. The JVM store the following kind of information in method area: the fully codified name of type, the types modifiers, the types direct superclass name, the structure list of the fully qualified names of the super interface. Now we're talking about heap area. The heap store the actual object is created when the JVM startup. The user can control the heap of need. It can be fixed or dynamic size. When you see nav keyword, the JVM creates instance for the object in the heap. While the reference of the object stored in the stack, there exists only heap for which or for each running JVM process. When heap becomes full, the garbage is collected. Reference type. There are four type of the reference: stock, weak, soft, phantom reference. The difference among all the references is that object on the heap they refers to reserved for garbage collector under the different criteria. The strong reference. The strong reference is simple as we use in daily programming. Any object which has strong reference attached to it is not eligible for garbage collection. We can create strong reference by using following statement: string builder is equal to name string builder. Weak reference. It is not survive after the next garbage collection process. We are not sure when the data will be requested again. In this condition, we can create a weak reference to it. In case if the garbage collector process is destroy the object when we try to retrieve that object. Get null value is defined in Java language reference weak classes. We can create reference by using following statement. Okay. Soft reference. It is collected when the application is running low on memory. The garbage collector does not collect the softly reachable object. All the soft reference objects are collected before thrown and out of the memory area. We can create soft reference by using the following statement. Phantom reference. It is available in Java language refers package. It is defined in Java language refers phantom reference class. The object which has only phantom reference pointing them can be collected whenever garbage collector wants to collect. We can create a phantom reference by using following statement. Stack area generated when the thread creates. It can be either fixed or dynamic size. The stack memory is collected per threads. It is used to store the data and partial result. It contains refers to heap object. It is also holds the value it's received rather than the reference to an object from the heap. The variables which are stored in the stack have a certain visibility called scope. The stack frame. The stack frame is a data structure that contains the threads data. Threads data represent the state of the threads in current moment. Native method stack. It is also known as a stack. It is a stack for native codes written in language other than the Java. The Java native reference called the native stack. The reference of the native stack depend on the OS. The PC registers. Each threads as a program counter register with the PC register. The returns address or the native pointer. It is to contain the different address of the Java instruction currently being executed. This is a memory allocation in Java. Thank you so much.